Thousands of protesters in Abuja have taken control of the Federal Secretariat Complex after being blocked from accessing the Eagle Square complex by security agencies who deployed hundreds of tear gas canisters in an attempt to disperse them. Despite the heavy-handed response, the protesters have regrouped at the Finance Junction on Ahmadu Bello Way, where their numbers are swelling as more Abuja residents join the demonstration. The significant security presence has not deterred the crowd, which is gaining momentum and threatening to overwhelm the troops on the ground. While no gunshots have been fired, the protesters remain resolute in their determination to make their voices heard. The protest, driven by widespread anger over hunger and economic hardship, shows no signs of abating. The deployment of tear gas by security agencies has only galvanized the protesters, with more people joining the demonstration by the hour. As the situation continues to unfold, concerns are growing about the potential for further escalation. The protesters marched from the Karu area to Kugbo, Asokoro, AYA Junction, and then to the central area. In addition to Abuja, states such as Kano, Gombe, Kaduna, Plateau, Niger, and Lagos have also witnessed protests. Demonstrators are demanding an end to corruption in Nigerian governance and a reduction in the current price of fuel, among other issues.